Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Rania Hapsari Hidayah and you can call me Rania. I'm from English department of Sebelas Maret University. Today I would like to explain to you about the one of vowel sound is this vowel can called by the open mid back unrounded vowel or low mid back unrounded vowel. The symbol of this vowel in the International Phonetic Alphabet that represented the sound is like this. Graphically, a rotate lowercase v are called v, but created as small capital A without the cross bar. Yeah. This vowel including the short vowel, and you can read this vowel like a, the a, yeah. For example, fun, love, money, and one, London, come, and etc. I think that's all. I think that's my explanation about this vowel. If I had a lot of mistake, I'm so sorry. And thank you for watching this video. I hope my explanation easy to understand to you guys. And thank you. See you later and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.